Hi everyone. This video is about an online opportunity that you can do from home. This opportunity is mainly for people located in India, and this is a work from home opportunity where you are required to work a night shift. As you are required to work from home, you can easily, I think, manage working night shift as well. So this is an online review specialist job where you this is the website Cloudstaff, and so here it is mentioned about like qualification requirements, and as a online review specialist, you should have like proven experience in content moderation, online reputation management, or a related role. So you need to be well versed, and you need to be aware of like online reviews. Like there are websites that provide review services, for example, like Google, Yelp, TripAdvisor, etc. So you should have familiarity with major review platforms, and you should have strong understanding of content guidelines and policies on these platforms. And you should also have like excellent analytical skills and attention to detail. You should be able to work independently and manage multiple tasks simultaneously. Then knowledge of legal considerations related to online content and defamation is a plus. You should be knowing everything related to online reviews, the platforms, the policies, the guidelines, and also like how and also the analytics related to these review platforms. So yeah, the job is, as I said, that this job is about like online review specialist job, and this is an India-based job located for people living in India, and so the company is seeking a dedicated and detail-oriented online review specialist, and the primary responsibility of a person working as an online review specialist is to monitor and manage online reviews and content on platforms such as Yelp, Google, and like ensuring that any sensitive or inappropriate information is promptly identified and addressed. The successful candidate will work diligently to safeguard our online reputation by removing or rectifying problematic content in compliance with platform guidelines and legal requirements. So you need to be take care like you need to take care of like online reviews on these platforms, and so you need to like promptly you need to be very prompt in identifying any like inappropriate or sensitive information that is going on these review platforms, and you should be able to like remove those. If you find anything inappropriate, you need to remove that and rectify any problem, content related problem, etc. And then here are the key responsibilities that you can expect as an online review specialist. So you need to like monitor online reviews and content on platforms like Yelp, Google, and other review sites for any incriminating or sensitive information, analyze flag content to determine its validity and potential impact on reputation. So basically you need to like take care of online reputation of the company, and you need to like you should be able to utilize platforms, specific tools, and processes to request the removal of inappropriate content. And you need to like communicate effectively with platform support teams to expedite the content removal process. And you should be able to like you need to collaborate with legal and compliance teams to ensure all actions are in line with legal standards and guidelines. So these are some of the responsibilities. So I don't think that this is a very simple kind of job that you can do and from home. So I think this is a good opportunity, and this only requires like experience of like 2 to 3 years. So if you are having like online review kind of experience, so you can check out the details of the website, of this role and the company. So, and if you like this opportunity, you can apply. So here is the apply button. So they are asking to apply through Google or Facebook. So you can use either. So yeah, after signing in with Google, you will be getting this application form So you need to fill all the like some of the personal details, like your name, country, where you belong to, and as the job requires, you need to be from India, and then city, phone number, and then you need to agree to the terms and conditions, and then create your account. Like the job, apply, go ahead and apply. So thank you for listening.